Hey there, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy with 911 Studios, and today we are talking about mattresses. You guys, this is the Linenspa hybrid. It's going to be a memory foam and Innerspring mattress. Your Innerspring mattress is more like your traditional mattress that has springs in it, but it's going to be topped with a thick layer of memory foam. So you get the best of both worlds, something that is very supportive, but it also has that memory foam to just really, sink into, conform to your body, get rid of all of those pressure points. It's going to be comfortable, but it's also low profile. So this is great for guest bedrooms, kids' rooms, things like that. It's a very affordable option, but you're not sacrificing any quality. This is going to be super comfortable, super high quality, great materials, and that memory foam on top really keeps you nice and cool. So that's a great aspect to have as well. The Linenspa gives you a 10-year limited warranty, so you can buy with confidence and know that you're getting a great mattress, a great product that's going to hold up for a really long time, and the manufacturer just has your back, which always helps you buy and be a little more confident with that. Even though this is a hybrid mattress and it has those springs in the mattress as well, it still comes all portable and easy to get to you, easy to ship, and easy to move in the bed in a box. So it's going to come to you in the box, you let it out, you give it a little time. It probably doesn't take as much time. Like some mattresses can take up to 72 hours to completely decompress. This doesn't need quite as much time, but you're still gonna wanna give it a little while to take its full shape, get rid of any odors from shipping, and then you're going to have an amazing mattress to sleep on at a really great price. So go ahead and put this in your cart, you guys. You're gonna be so happy you did.